Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are looking tonight at Nvts. You can clearly see the stock is up today by 20%. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what we are seeing here. As always guys, if you do enjoy the videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd also like to remind you though, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Make sure you are currently doing your own research and of course make your own decisions. With that being said, jumping straight into this one, you can clearly see, as I say, the stock is up big today. This is obviously a very good thing. However, one thing that I will urge caution with, as these stocks do continue to push higher and in such a short period of time, I do become a little bit cautious as to where the next potential moves could be. Now, clearly at the moment, it does appear to be the case that we are seeing a little bit of resistance right around the 1520 mark and also just up to the 1540 mark. You know, that could be something to pay attention to going forwards into tomorrow. Of course, if we do blast through that, that could also be a huge green flag. At the same time, you could be expecting a potential pullback at some point soon. We are to a degree starting to see some levels of support. We saw this over the course of today. 1430 holding up. We saw levels just below that around 1410 and of course right down there at 1365. These could all be numbers to pay attention to. Now, that's not me saying that the stock is of course going to pull back. Of course, we may not see that. We may see it continue to push, but what I am saying is this is something that you should prepare yourself for just in case it does happen. With that being said, we are seeing the RSI also quite high. It is cooling off today as we have of course slowed down towards the late part of the day. However, you can clearly see those numbers are still very high and very much still touching on the overbought range for the RSI. These two things, or all these factors I should say together, do beg the question as to where we go next. Again, if we're able to break out to the upside, we could be seeing even more gains, of course, but at the same time, as I say, I do urge caution with those levels down below. That's just my personal thoughts, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down below in the comment section. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.